Let me be honest with you for a second. Most people don't actually have a money problem. They have a money leak problem. Because right now, you could be losing $50, $100, or even $300 every single month, and you don't even realize it. Subscriptions you forgot about. Bills you're overpaying. Food you're throwing away. Time. That could actually be making you money. But here's the shift in 2026. AI is now quietly fixing all of that. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 AI tools that can help you stop those leaks, step by step. 1. Fix the biggest leaks. First, bills and fees. Let's start where the biggest leaks usually are, your fixed expenses. Because if you don't fix this first, everything else doesn't matter. Rocket Money. Find hidden leaks. Fast. This tool does one simple thing really well. It finds money you're already losing. It scans your accounts and shows you subscriptions you forgot about, recurring charges you didn't notice. It has helped cancel millions of subscriptions. Here's a realistic example. You cancel one $14.99 subscription and lower one bill by $20. That's about $35 a month saved. After the app cost? Around $25 a month net. Here's why that matters. That's $300 a year from one quick cleanup. Nest Thermostat. Lower bills automatically. Now let's talk about something most people ignore, their energy bill. AI thermostats learn your habits and adjust automatically. Even using conservative numbers, 8 to 15% savings on a $180 bill is about $14 or $27 a month. And once it pays for itself, that becomes pure savings. Clio. Stop losing money to fees. Now here's a silent killer, bank fees. The average overdraft fee is about $26.77 to $35. If an AI tool helps you avoid just one of those, that's about $20 a month saved after cost. Here's why that matters. That's money you lost. For nothing. Biggest mistake people make with AI tools. Now, let me pause you here, because this is important. Most people download these tools and then never actually use them properly. They don't. Connect all their accounts. Review what the AI finds. Let the system run consistently. And then they say, it didn't work. No, it wasn't used. AI works best when you let it run in the background. 2. Stop everyday money leaks. So now you've handled your fixed expenses, but here's where most people lose even more money without realizing it. Everyday spending. Groceries. Shopping. Food waste. Samsung food. Stop wasting groceries. Here's something most people don't realize. The average person wastes about $728 per year in food. That's over $60 a month in just gone. This tool helps you. Use what's already in your kitchen. Plan meals smarter. Avoid unnecessary grocery runs. Even cutting waste by just 10% is on average $12 a month. Skip one takeout order, $20. That's about $25 a month saved. Capital One Shopping. Save without trying. This one is simple. It saves you money while you shop. It automatically finds coupons, compares prices, alerts you when prices drop. Average savings? About $30 per purchase. Here's why that matters. That's money you would have spent anyway, but now you keep it. Let me ask you something. If you could free up an extra $200 a month, what would you actually do with it? Because the next part is where that becomes real. 3. Turn time into money. At this point, you've reduced your bills. You've cut your spending. But this last category? This is where real leverage happens. Keeper. Stop overpaying on taxes. If you have any side income, you're probably leaving money on the table. Keeper tracks deductions automatically and finds savings. For example, save $1,000 a year. That's about $65–80 a month equivalent. Here's why that matters. That's money you were legally allowed to keep. Reclaim.ai. Turn time into income. Now this one is different. It doesn't just save money, it helps you create it. It organizes your schedule and protects your time. Users save about 1.3 hours per week. Is your time worth $30 hour? That's 150 plus per month in value. How to combine these tools for maximum savings. Now here's where this all comes together. It's not about using one tool. It's about stacking them. Think of it like this. Rocket Money removes waste. Clio protects your money. Samsung Food controls spending. Capital One saves on purchases. Nest reduces bills. Keeper lowers taxes. Reclaim increases income. Now you're covering your entire financial life. Realistic monthly savings breakdown. So what does this actually look like? Using conservative numbers. Rocket Money, and $25. Nest, $15 per month. Samsung Food, $25. Capital One Shopping, $30. Clio, $20. Keeper, $65. Reclaim, $100 plus. That's about $280 a month. Even if you cut that in half, that's still around $140 a month, which adds up to over $1,600 per year without working harder. Conclusion. Here's the truth. Most people try to save money the hard way, cutting small things, restricting themselves. Meanwhile, AI is quietly helping people keep more of their money, automatically. If you want more simple, smart ways to build and protect your money, hit subscribe right now. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money. We help you keep it. I'll see you in the next video.